Now, our next topic is what is our body made up of? Page number 89. Topic name is what is our body made up of? We have a large body. What it is made up of? As a house, it is made up of small bricks. The same way, our body is made up of something. What is that? That we are going to study over here. Our body is made up of many small parts called cells. Cells are the building blocks of the body. Yes, bete, as a house, it is made up of bricks. Bricks are the smallest parts of the house. The same way, our body, it is made up of smallest units called cells. There are smallest parts in our body that are called cells. The cells are same like the bricks of a house. जैसे bricks से एक घर बना होता है, the same way our body is made up of cells. Body जो है छोटे छोटे parts से बनी है, उनको बोलते हैं cells. Cells they cannot be seen. हम उनको देख नहीं सकते. They are only seen with the help of the microscope. Cells are the smallest part of our body. A tissue is made up of many similar things. Listen, bete. Which is the smallest part of our body? Cells. Cells, they are the smallest part of our body. Smallest units means they are very small. Cells. These are the cells of which our body is made up of. Then cells, they combine to form tissues. वो मिलके ग्रुप बनाते हैं cells. That is called tissue. Group of cells is called tissue. An organ is made up of different tissues. Then there are different tissues that combine together. ऐसे ये एक टिश्यू हो गया. This is the second tissue. Then tissues combine to form organ. These are the different types of tissues that are combined together. They form an organ. A group of organs form an organ system. Example, digestive system. Group of organs is called organ system. They form organ system. An organism or a living being is made up of different organ systems. See, bete, cells, it is the smallest part of our body. Many cells, they combine together to form tissue. Group of cells is called tissue. Then many different tissues, they combine to form an organ. Organ क्या है? Like hand. Hand is an organ in our body. Mouth, this your food pipe, it is an organ. Stomach, it is an organ. ये एक organ है. ये किससे बना होता है? Tissues से. Different types of tissues, they combine to form an organ. Then the organs, they combine to form organ system. Like our mouth, food pipe, stomach. ये किसके काम आते हैं? Digestion के. From the mouth, we eat food. Then the food goes in the food pipe. Then after the food pipe, it goes in our stomach. कौन कौन से organs आ गए इसमें? पहले mouth आ गया. Then food pipe. Then our stomach. So all these organs, they are combined to form one system that is called organ system. तो काफी सारे organs हैं, वो मिलके एक organ system बनाते हैं. ये कौन सा सिस्टम बन गया? माउथ, फूड पाइप, स्टमक वाला डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. बिकॉज दीज ऑर्गन्स दे आर इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन. क्योंकि ये फूड की डाइजेशन में हेल्प करते हैं ये ऑर्गन्स. सो दे कंबाइन टू फॉर्म वन सिस्टम दैट इज कॉल्ड डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. सो देयर आर many systems like this in our body. They combine to form living being. So सारे systems अलग अलग, जैसे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है जिसकी हेल्प से फूड डाइजेस्ट होता है. वन इज रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, जिसकी हेल्प से क्या होता है? ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ते हैं. So there are different systems in our body. So all these systems they combine to form one living being, one human being. So जो हमारी body है वो काफी systems से बनी है. Respiratory system is there, digestive system is there, circulatory system is there. So all these systems are there. They are combined to form one living being. Again I'm telling you, cell is the smallest unit. Cells combine to form tissues. Group of cells is called tissue. Then again tissues they combine to form an organ. एक organ बनता है tissues को मिला के. Many organs they combine to form organ system. Organ system से क्या बनेगा? One living being means एक human being बन जाएगा पूरा. See the pictures of the cells, tissues. See bete. Cells are the smallest part of the body. This is the smallest part. A tissue is made up of many similar cells. See how there are many cells that are combined and they are forming one tissue. An organ is made up of different tissues. ये काफी सारे tissues मिलके एक organ बनाते हैं. This organ is shown to us. This is stomach. एक organ बन गया हमारी body का. There are many tissues in this organ. A group of organs form an organ system. See, there are many groups of organs over here. Liver है, stomach is there, then small intestine is there, large intestine is there. Means many organs are there. They are combined to form one system. ये कौन सा system बन गया? Digestive system. Because all these organs they are involved in the process of digestion. That is why they form a digestive system. Smallest part is cell. Tissue are formed by the group of cells. Then organs, they are formed by the group of tissues. Organs, they combine to form organ system. Organ system combine करके क्या बनाते हैं? एक पूरा human being और living being. So today we'll read up to here only. That our body it is made up of cells. That is the smallest unit of body. Cell group of cells combine to form a tissue. Then many tissues they combine to form organs. Many organs, group of organs combine to form the organ system, and many organ systems they combine to form one living being. So better read up to here only. This much we'll do. Then next we'll continue in the next lecture and perform the activity that I have given you. It is a very easy activity and you will understand the process of germination, and germinated seeds I'll show you and tell you how have they germinated in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.